Welcome back. I hope you are doing well. Well, this video is about Despeed depin farming. So just like node pay, this depin is on. It just started and you can see the cycle earnings here. You can see it started on the 1st and it will end on the 31st. So let us say maybe this can be cycle 1 and it will have cycle 2 just like node pay and the rest. So first things first, once you sign up, go to this dashboard and complete all the tasks. You also have daily quests, which is to be claiming all this daily. Then you also have quest completed. It says view all quests here. Now you can just click on view all quests and you see daily claim, daily streak, and you see weekly check-in bytes bonus. Then you see referrals. Also you see social quests. These social quests, take them seriously because they will give you points first of all. Then the next important thing you do is to click on this hamburger button here and go and install the extension, which I will be doing right now. Look at this button here. You click on install validator extension. It will direct you to Chrome Web Store, and once it does that, you install the extension. It's loading up. It says you click on add to Chrome and it will install for you. Click on OK to install. Once it does installation, you have to log in. Now it has installed. The next thing you have to do now is to log in. So click on this your extension tab here, this button, and go and log in your account that you have already created. I'll be dropping every link you need in the description box, so you can see it is already logged in. So guys, this is another opportunity. Don't fade it. Let's see what it can bring for us. We'll see you later in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so others can see it too.